بعد ما عرفنا إذا ال object is in motion or not وعرفنا إنه the motion is relative. Now رح نفترض إنه ال object is in motion with respect to the ground. بدي أعرف هلا what are the types of motion of this object and شو هي trajectory اللي عم يمشي عليها هذا ال object, and then we can start to study the motion, means study the position, the velocity and the acceleration. type of motion في عنا many types. We have a translation, rotation, oscillation and the random. Now random هو عبارة عن many type together. إذا بدي أحكي now عن oscillation, what do you mean by oscillation? So an oscillation is a motion of come and go مثل هيدي pendulum around a position of equilibrium. Or for example, if you have this spring, so we notice that it's a motion of come and go around the position of equilibrium واللي هي بتكون ثابتة. Now إذا بدي أحكي عن بالنسبة للoscillation first, هيدي الoscillation ما رح نشتغل فيها هيدي السنة، إن شاء الله الoscillation لسنة الجاي. هالسنة رح نشتغل بالtranslation and rotation. So what's the difference between translation motion and rotation motion? بالنسبة للtranslation, if we suppose for example this object is moving, okay, وحطينا عليه مثلا a vector AB, رسمنا vector AB. So what will happen to this vector when the object moves? So if you notice when the object moves, the vector AB remains parallel to itself having same direction. Now what will happen if you have a rotational motion? So if you have for example this object وسكرنا هيدي البارير تبع السيارة, okay, so what will happen the vector AB? So we notice that the vector AB change its direction and its line of action. And we notice that also we have a certain axis here. This is what you call the axis of rotation. So when we talk about translation, a vector AB traced on the object will remain parallel to itself and having same direction, while in rotation this vector AB will rotate about an axis. This axis is called the axis of rotation. Now بهذا الدرس نحن اللي رح نشتغل عليه هو translational motion. Rotation لبعد درسين إن شاء الله. These figures, if you want to see the animation of these figures, you have the site here. Now بعد ما عرفنا انه ما نشتغل على translational motion والobject is moving on along a translational motion, ما نعرف what is the trajectory of the object. So first, what do we mean by trajectory and what are the forms of trajectory? When we say trajectory, this means it's the path that the object follows. Path يعني الطريق اللي عم يمشي عليه الobject. Now هيدا الطريق كيف ممكن يكون? It can be first rectilinear. So rectilinear, this means the object assimilated to a particle is moving along a straight line. So here it's moving along a straight horizontal line, along a straight vertical line, along a straight inclined line. بالنسبة للequation, we'll leave it for now. We continue. Now the trajectory can also be circular. This means the object is moving along a circle. Then in this case we say that the trajectory is circular. Or the trajectory can be curvilinear. So curvilinear, this means the object assimilated to a particle moves along a curve, no matter the shape of the curve. So in this case we say that the trajectory is curvilinear. So لكن باختصار صفي عنا نحن عم نحكي هالسنة عن type of motion بنسميه translation motion. As for the trajectory, we have three types of trajectory or three forms of trajectory. واللي هن rectilinear along a line, circular along a circle, and curvilinear along a curve. Thank you.